7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at Cronos. Cronos is currently ranked number 22 on CoinMarketCap, also known as CRO. In the last 1 year, it has gone as high as $0.96 and as low as $0.09. At the point of recording this video, CRO is going for $0.1175. Should be holding CROs through the bear market. How low can you go through the bear market? Should you start buying it right now? In this video, we're looking at the CRO US dollar price chart. We're also looking at CRO's performance against Bitcoin, and then we'll look at CRO's performance against Ethereum. We'll take a look at the CRO's market cap chart. How low can you go in the bear market? Is the bottom in right now? CRO has been dumping since when it set its all-time high of 0.96 on 2021 November. It has lost more than 90% of its value in that period of time. Is the bottom in? Should we be buying more? We're talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Cronos is currently ranked number 22 on CoinMarketCap. It has a market capitalization of $2.96 billion. We have 25 billion CROs in circulation out of a maximum 30 billion tokens. It has a 24-hour trading volume at the point of recording this video of $15 million. And what's CRO and how can you get some? Cronos CRO is the native cryptocurrency token of Cronos Chain, a decentralized open source blockchain developed by Crypto.com, payment, trading, and financial service company. Cronos Chain is one of the products in the Crypto.com lineup of solutions designed to accelerate the global adoption of cryptocurrency as a means of increasing personal control over money, safeguarding user data, and protecting users' identity. Where can you get some? If you want to get some through the bear market before we start looking at the price chart, you can get some on your favorite exchange. You can get some on Coinbase, on Qcoin, on Gate.io, on FTX, but you can't get it on Binance, the largest exchange. That's a worrying sign. But let's look at the CRO US dollar price chart. This is the US dollar price chart for CRO from 2018 till 2022. You can see that it had a very glorious rise. From 2018 till 2022, it went up over 7,700x. Crazy returns in just 1,000 days. But guys, you can see that in that period in time, it had this moment and it had this down moment. We first had a pump right here in March 2019 after it was launched. It had a pump of 900%. When the bear market came, it dumped again. It found its bottom March 20 at 0.026. It lost over 77% of its value in that period in time. After March, it went on another crazy run again. It pumped really hard. It went up 634%. Then it dumped again, but one important thing is that it did not set a new lower low. It still set a new higher high. You can see that the structure is very bullish. It dumped 72%. It had another pump again, and this time this pump took it to new all-time highs, and it went to as high as 0.96, and it went up 1,600% in barely a year. Right now it has been dumping again, but it has also set a new lower low. Should be buying more CRO, and because you can see that since when CRO was launched, it has been doing this dance of a lower low, higher high, and higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Right now we are at the critical level for CRO. Do you think that we're going to break this level? If we break this level, guys, it means we're going to set, for the first time in years, we're going to set a lower low. Do you think that this is the bottom, or do you think we're going to dump further? We know that altcoins find their bottom after dumping around 90 to 99% from their all-time high, and CRO has dropped around 90%. If it's going to drop around 94% from its all-time high, we'll see it trading for 0.05. Can it get to that level? And that will be the next logical level for CRO to get to, because price has interacted with that level. Let me clean this chart so that we can just easily see the support levels for CRO. You can see that one of the critical support levels for CRO will be this level where it was in December 2020 before it went crazy, and where we are right now is another very critical level for it. And with the bottom coming right now, is the bottom in already, as we're consolidating around 0.116 levels. The bottom in, you can see that even before it went to all-time highs, we actually consolidated there. When CRO was launched, it got rejected off that region twice. So will that region hold? If that region doesn't hold, we might see CRO dropping another 50%. Now this might not be palatable to the ears to hear that CRO might drop again, but guys, that's also happened to these altcoins. CRO was launched in the depths of the bear market, and during the bull run when the market was up only, and when CRO was pumping all this 7,000%, Bitcoin went from as low as 3,100 to as high as $69,000. CRO went from as low as 0.012 to as high as 0.96. Is the bottom in? Because guys, if CRO is going to get to a worst case scenario and we'll see CRO losing around 94% of its value from the all-time high, right now it's just down around 88%, and that additional 6% will result in CRO losing over 50% of its value from where we are right now. Is that possible, guys? That's very, very possible. How is it doing against Bitcoin? How is it doing against Ethereum? This is the Cronos Bitcoin valuation chart. You can see that when the market is pumping, it pumps really well. When the market is dumping, it dumps really, really well. And the first pump he had here was February 2019. It pumped well against Bitcoin. It had over 900% pump against Bitcoin, but with huge pumps comes huge dumps. It dumped really hard again. It lost 89% of its value. It had another rally entering August 2020. It had a rally, pumped 360% against Bitcoin. It couldn't set new all-time highs against Bitcoin. As usual with CRO, when the market is dumping, you don't want to be holding it. It lost so much of its value again against Bitcoin. This time it lost 90% of its value, and it found a new all-time low. And after I found a new all-time low, the bull run came of 2021. Altcoins were going pumping to the moon, CRO included. CRO pumped really hard. It broke the high it set in 2020 on its Bitcoin pairing, but it just got stuck at that side. It couldn't break the all-time high. The all-time high was in March 2019. CRO couldn't get to that all-time high. CRO still pumped over 1,100% against Bitcoin. So good performance against Bitcoin when the market is up only, but when the market is dumping, the first time CRO dumped more than 90%, it lost over 91% of its value. The second time, CRO lost another 90% of its value. Will this time be different for CRO against Bitcoin? Will he not lose more than 90% of his value against Bitcoin? Only time will tell. But right now, from the top for CRO that came in on the 22nd of November 2021, CRO is down 69%. That's actually a good performance from CRO. But if you see CRO losing 90 to 91% like it has done in the previous dip it has had, we're going to see CRO setting a new all-time low. Will he do that? Only time will tell. Is the bottom in? Guys, I don't think the bottom is in right now. You want to be careful with these altcoins, Cronos included. You don't want to be holding them in the bear market, guys. During the bear market, all these altcoins are risky. The bear market is for accumulating altcoins, so you want to be dollar cost averaging into them. So how is CRO behaving against Ethereum? What's its performance against Ethereum? And when it was launched, it had a crazy ride against Ethereum. It went up more than 560% from 2019 till 2020, but the top of CRO against Ethereum came in that 2020, because since then it has been dumping really hard against Ethereum. It lost more than 93% of its value. Yes, it had a relief rally in 2022, but the relief rally, yes, it had a relief rally in the ending of 2021, and it pumped another 370% against Ethereum, but that was nothing to write home about. It couldn't break the previous all-time high, which is set on the 20th of July 2020. Right now, CRO is losing value against Ethereum. It has lost over 58% of its value. And this is the CRO market cap chart, guys. It got to a high of over $24 billion at the top of the bull run. CRO got to as high as $24 billion from having a market valuation of less than $100 million. It had a crazy run. But right now, it looks as if it's setting lower lows. Will this level hold? Only time will tell. Currently, it has a market cap of $2.9 billion. We don't want to see it break this level. If not, it might drop to as low as $1.3 billion. And if $1.3 billion doesn't hold, we might see CRO market cap getting to as low as $500 million. From the top, if it gets to $500 million, it means it has dropped from $23 billion to $500 million. It means CRO has lost over 98% of its value. Is that possible? Only time will tell. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. At what price point will you be getting some CRO through the bear market? In the last 1 year, it's down 5.1%, performing really well. In the last 1 month, it's down 29%. In the last 1 week, it's up. So will you be holding some CRO? We're having some relief in the altcoin market. Altcoins are pumping. Do you think CRO is going to ever break new all-time highs? Do you think we're going to get to $1? We got the closest we could get to $1. We got to 96 cents. I believe we'll probably get to $1 in the next bull run. But right now, is the bottom in? Only time will tell. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.